Simultaneous determination of paracetamol and Omnipaque by differential pulse voltammetry with application to natural tomato, carrot, cucumber juices and wastewater. This study provides information about the analytical technique, differential pulse voltammetry, the substances being analyzed, paracetamol and Omnipaque. The type of electrode used, boron-doped diamond electrode, and the diverse applications of the method to different sample types, natural tomato, carrot, cucumber juices, and wastewater. Analytical methods have been developed for the individual determination of PCM and OMP, as well as for the simultaneous determination of these analytes with other pharmaceutical and biologically active compounds. Voltammetric studies allowed us to have well-defined oxidation peaks at distinct potentials of OMP, E is equal to 0.5 V SCE, and PCM, E is equal to 0.7 V SCE. Under optimized conditions, well-defined quantities of OMP and PCM, introduced simultaneously by metered additions, give linear responses in concentration ranges of 259.8 to 467.2 micrometer for OMP and 58.73 to 116.3 micrometer PCM. The detection limits obtained are 7.23 micrometer and 3.6 micrometer respectively for OMP and PCM, with recovery rates between 85.8% plus or minus 0.1% and 92.6% plus or minus 0.1% for OMP, and between 99.9% plus or minus 0.1% and 101.2% plus or minus 0.4% for the PCM. This technique has been successfully used to simultaneously detect these pharmaceuticals in these complex environments. It allows recovery of OMP and PCM respectively up to 97.5% plus or minus 0% and 91.6% plus or minus 0.3% in tomato juice, 100.0% plus or minus 0% and 95.2% plus or minus 0.2% in carrot juice, 101.4% plus or minus 0.1% and 97.3% plus or minus 0.3% in cucumber juice, 100.1% plus or minus 0.9% and 100.9% plus or minus 0.1% in wastewater. The relevance of this technique for the simultaneous detection of OMP and PCM in tomato, carrot, cucumber juices and in wastewater can be studied in the context of the contamination of certain fruits and vegetables by the substances organic pharmaceuticals released into the environment without prior treatment. The results obtained allow us to conclude that DPV can be used with many advantages for the quantitative determination of these drugs, alone or in combination, as they are commonly found in pharmaceutical formulations. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel for watch more scientific research videos.